Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today, as you can tell from the title of this video, we are reviewing the Korean skincare brand Donginbi. And yes, I am pronouncing that correctly because I reached out to the brand and asked for it phonetically. So I know I am pronouncing it correctly because I am the first person to butcher a name if it is not basic English, unfortunately. So yeah, anyways, that's how you pronounce the name of this brand, and I'm so excited to try this brand because first off, today is going to be a first impressions video. I'm going to be trying it and using it and really getting a feel for the product for the first time here with you. And also, this brand just released live in the United States on September 28th. I am uploading my video that you are watching right now on October 3rd. So just a couple of days ago, this brand became available for us, and you can get it on Amazon Prime. But the reason I bring that up is hopefully I am the first review on YouTube. And also, since this brand just became available in the United States, I know a lot of people don't have it and they are probably looking for reviews. Now, that being said, I did want to also let y'all know the way I did receive these products early for review is because the brand did reach out and asked if they could just send them to me. This is not sponsored. This is not payment. I don't have a discount code or an affiliate link or anything like that. They simply just sent me the products for an honest test. Honestly, I'm not even obligated to post them, but I want to because these products look so pretty. But I did just want to let y'all know these were sent to me from the brand, and yeah, I'm really excited to try them. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video. I'm gonna show y'all the products I have. I have 4 products I'll be sharing with y'all today. And I also did want to let y'all know that the price point on this brand, I would personally consider it luxury, but everything ranges between $20 and $170. The highest ticketed item they have is $170, and then the cheapest item they have is $20. So some of the items are actually really affordable, and then some of them are just like way up there. So I'm gonna let y'all know all of that throughout this video as I test the products. But before we get started, I just wanted to show them to y'all. So the first thing is their Red Ginseng Power Repair Intensive Eye Cream. Now, ginseng, I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. That I did not ask for phonetically. Maybe I should have. But anyways, let me know in the comments below if I'm saying it wrong. I do not mean to. It's not my intention to butcher other beautiful languages, but I'm just really bad at pronouncing other words. So anyways, it's an eye cream. It is still in its big box, but it is beautiful packaging. Now, one thing I do want to let y'all know that I have already done is a reveal on my Instagram page. I did open these boxes and I did share them with my fantastic little family over on Instagram. So I have seen what they look like, even though I haven't tried them yet. This still is a first impressions video because I have no idea what they feel like on the skin yet, but I do know what the packaging is, which is what gets me so excited. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, I'm gonna leave my handle right here, but oftentimes I will do a little reveal on my Instagram before I post the full review video, or a couple weeks down the road, I will always give you guys like an update on, you know, how a specific skincare product has been working for me. And if you just ask, it's so much easier for me to respond on Instagram than on YouTube because we pretty much just have the comments here. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram so that we can get to know each other better. All right, the next item is their signature oil, which this comes in a wooden box. Like, this is probably the most spectacular presentation piece out of all of these because it literally comes like in a solid wood box, which is crazy. The third item is their Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence. So it comes in a really pretty red box. Honestly, this reminds me of my wedding because my wedding colors were gold, black, and red, and this is like the exact red that we used like for our stationery and everything. So flashback vibes, yeah. And the last product is their Red Ginseng Moisturizer and Balancing Cream, which comes in a big white box. Sorry, when I put white boxes in this lighting, it kind of like blurs it out. So I'm gonna hold it back here. But this is the heaviest moisturizer I have ever held in my entire life. I mentioned on my Instagram when I shared these that this thing weighs like 4 pounds or 5 pounds, which for a moisturizer is insane. Like, it doesn't sound like a lot when you say 5 pounds, but when you think it's just moisturizer, this thing weighs a ton. Like, it's heavy. So anyways, now that y'all have seen the 4 products, let's get right into putting them on my face. But before we do, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now, let's test out these products. So just to let y'all know, before I actually put these products on my skin, clearly there wasn't like a cleanser and a toner and like all of the necessity skincare products you need to clean your face before you apply these things on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my full skincare routine, take my makeup off, cleanse it, put a toner on, and just not put anything hydrating on. No lotions, no serums, because that's what these guys in this video are for. But just to let y'all know, in my next slide, I will have done my full skincare routine. Oh my goodness. Sometimes there is just nothing better than a good skincare routine and cleaning your face and having it feel fresh. I had a photo shoot earlier. For those that are new here, I am a full-time curve model. If you are a plus size girl or a curvy girl and you ever shopped plus size, there's about 100% chance that you've either shopped off my body or you've seen me on a website somewhere. Anyways, I had a shoot today. It was a long day and I had a thick layer of makeup on, if you couldn't tell. So it feels really good to just be like barefaced. But I did do my full skincare routine. Like I mentioned, the only thing I left off were my eye creams, my face creams, and my serums, because we are going to use the Donginbi products in this video together. So the first thing I always like to go in with after I've cleaned my face and everything is my eye products, just because it is the most tender and delicate skin on the face. And so we need to protect that skin a lot to also avoid us looking like we're getting super old and aging. Because I feel like the eye skin is the first thing that can give your age away and make you either look a lot older than you really are or a lot more youthful than you really are. So we really want to take care of that skin. So I'm going to go in with their red Ginseng Power Repair Intensive Eye Cream. Like I said earlier, I've also seen the inside of the products and stuff, so I'm so excited to share that with y'all. So this is the eye cream inside. It's like on its own little pedestal, and this is all velvet on the inside. I mean, makes me feel kind of bougie. All right, let's take it out so I can show y'all how beautiful this little eye cream vial is. It's so pretty. Sorry, the lights are really blinding, but it's rose gold everywhere. It's like a gloss rose gold up here and a matte down here, and it's a good size. This feels pretty darn dense and heavy if I compare it to my other eye creams. And it also at the bottom does come with a little eye spatula thing. So I'm just going to tell you a few things about this eye cream and then just go ahead and put it on so we can see how it feels on my skin. So this does retail for $140. This is one of those higher price pointed ticketed items that I mentioned to you earlier. Some of their stuff is way up there and some of their stuff is a lot more reasonable. So this is in the higher price point area for sure. This is supposed to improve the firmness around the eye and create a smooth finish. All of these products also have red ginseng inside of it, which is a plant that's supposed to assist in anti-aging. So all of these products are meant to fight against anti-aging. And also, there's no secret that the Asian culture, you know, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, I mean, they have the best skin on the planet. So they're doing something right with their skincare. So hopefully this makes me look younger. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and find out. I'm just going to put this on, see how it feels on the skin. Ooh, she's thick. Okay, I'm just going to let that sit there before I blend it in. Wow. So thick. Oh my gosh, touching this cream with my fingers, it is so thick and creamy. I'm gonna put it on a little bit on my eyelids too. Holy smokes. Talk about hydration. Wow, this was some thick cream, like really thick, but it doesn't look like I have anything on. Normally creams that are really thick and rich and ultra hydrating, you can see a little film, which there's no problem with that, but then it does make a cream that thick more of like a nighttime specific cream, because you really can't put makeup on top of that, but you really can't see it, which is kind of crazy with how thick this is. Like, wow, I'm very impressed. This reminds me of one of my favorite skincare creams that I still currently use. It's also Korean skincare. It's called Iobe, and it's one of the richest creams I've ever used. It's ultra hydrating. It works so well, and this reminds me of that. So I like it. Let's move on. But we started off with a bang here. So the next product I'm gonna put on is their Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence, which is the little red guy. When I asked them about this product, they said it acts as a serum, or that's like the place in your hydration part of your skincare routine you would put it in. So that's why I figured it would be best used for the next step. But look at how pretty this bottle is. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. All of their stuff would look stunning on a vanity or a nighttime stand, like out, not in a shelf. So this little guy is $60, so it's a lot less than the eye cream. This is supposed to protect weakened skin, boost natural energy in the skin, and creates a firm and healthy finish. So like I said, all of this stuff is really supposed to be for the anti-aging purposes. If it is lacking something, it's gonna boost it. If it needs more firming, if it needs more tightening, if it needs more protection, or if it's already weak and needs to be fixed, that's what this skincare brand pretty much seems like it's trying to do most, is fix damaged skin and then just protect new skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Ooh, when you spin the cap, here, I'll do it again and show y'all if y'all can kind of see. When you spin the cap, it pops up. Oh, very nice. So this is obviously gonna be one of those little press ones. Ooh, my goodness. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Wow. Wow, this feels great on my skin. It does leave like a dewy, I can completely agree that it acts like a serum. It leaves like that little dewy film to it. It absorbed right into the skin, and oh my gosh, the smell is the most relaxing smell ever. I'm not entirely sure what the scent is. It's like a very gentle flower. I don't know if red ginseng has a scent to it. It might easily be that and I just don't know it. But talk about doing this right before you go to bed. You're gonna be in like paradise in terms of freshness and the smell. Oh, amazing. I really like this. I'm gonna continue using it for a couple days so I can see what the effects are on my skin. But my skin's looking really good right now, like really good. And yeah, it's feeling good. I feel like it's just happy right now. All right, the next product we're gonna use is their $18.99 signature oil. This is our fancy boy. This is like the crown jewel of the skincare line. I'm gonna open it and show y'all the magic that's in here, and then talk a little bit about the cost and what's in this. So here we go. It is so stunning. It comes with like all its information right there in a little pretty pack. And then it's just placed in here inside of a velvet, like, oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I almost don't want to use it. This is what the bottle looks like outside. It is so stunning. So this is their most pricey product. This is $170. So this is that top price point I mentioned earlier as well. Wait a second, what is in here? I think the plant is actually in here. Okay, so this is very fast absorbing, which kind of interesting for an oil. Anxious to see how fast absorbing. Very anti-aging. That is the main signature reason to get this, is for its anti-aging properties. It contains 6-year-old red ginseng root. So that is what is inside of this. Also, kind of explains why it's so pricey, because for every single bottle of this, they have red ginseng that is 6 years old, which I believe red ginseng is kind of like wine. The older it gets, the more valuable it is. So yeah. And lastly, it's supposed to correct aging skin, literally turn the clock backwards. So I'm excited to lose age right now by using this. Oh my God. It smells like I'm blessed to be able to smell this. I like that since this bottle is it's a moderate size. It's not huge, but it's not like a little tiny bottle. The dispensary on this, it's like every time you touch it, a little drop comes out, so you won't overuse it. That's something I hate when you get a really expensive product and you accidentally like use half the bottle just because you didn't have a steady or a gentle hand. This helps you not overuse, so the product will last you longer. Okay, they were 100% right. This is insanely fast absorbing. It's already all into my skin. And my skin feels like silk now. Oh my gosh. I'm so shocked right now. I don't even know what to say. I don't think I've ever been this speechless about skincare because I've never noticed this immediate of a difference in the feeling of my skin and honestly the appearance. Like right away. Normally skincare, you use it for a little bit before you form like your overall opinion. But I'm glad I'm doing a first impression with you guys because I could only get this feeling like once, which I can't even describe how my skin feels right now. I wish YouTube had a 4D tool so that you guys could touch my face and feel it because this is incredible. I'm absolutely shocked. And $170 is a lot for a skincare product. Like a lot for a skincare product. But this is worth it. I'm for sure when I run out, I'm buying because my skin has never felt immediately like this. Now that I have had my shocked episode, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my last product for you guys, which is the Red Ginseng Moisture and Balance Moisturizer. Y'all, this thing is a tank. Like, I know you can't see it that well, like the writing and stuff. It's as big as my face. Like, the height of this is as big as my face. And it weighs so freaking much. I am so excited to put this on my face based off of how that lotion worked. I just want to share a couple things about this really quickly before I put it on. So this does retail for $28. Much more reasonable of a price. It's significantly lower and it's a ton of product. But the main goals of this and the products is that it uses red ginseng water. It strengthens your skin barrier and it balances pH, creating a glowing finish. Well, this just sounds like the cherry on top of like everything else we've already tried. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if it gives me a glowing finish and then we will call it a video. Wow, this smells fantastic. Someone needs to give me a face massage with these products. I will be in face heaven, skin heaven. This definitely didn't lie when it said glowing. I'm like, you might even be able to see your reflection off my skin. That's how shiny and glowing I am. This is insane. The way this feels on my skin, my face has never felt smoother. Ever. This is so crazy. I didn't think I was gonna find like my new favorite skincare brand today on this video with you guys here, but this skincare brand is seriously out of this world. I would so 100% suggest it to everybody that's watching. Make sure to check back at my Instagram. I'll attach my handle one more time here just to get updates because I'm clearly going to continue using this and see how my skin changes and how I like continuing to use it. Also, if you do just want to know and you're watching this like a year after I've made it or something, you can always shoot me a message on Instagram and just ask how I liked it and if it compared and if it's still my favorite skincare product. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful if you are interested in potentially buying from this brand. I am so excited this is available to us in the United States now. I'm gonna link all of these below so you can check them out. But other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day. I am so happy with how these work. These get an A++++++ in my skincare dictionary. And I will see y'all in my next video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.